with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back. Cold air plunging down across much of the country. High plains, Great Lakes, including this area. Temperatures running in the 30s for daytime highs today, so there's plenty of cold air to go around. And a weak system right here is going to move into the area tonight into early tomorrow with some light snow. Not a whole bunch, but a little accumulation out of that as it moves into the area, and it will be mostly all snow. Unlike earlier in the week when we had a mix and some ice and some rain, this one will, because it's colder, will be a snow event. And the snow that we get out of it, even though it's not going to be a whole lot, is going to be pretty fluffy, dry snow because the air is cold enough now that it's going to be all a snow event for the area. But again, not a ton, not a whole bunch, but a little snow. 37 the high, 26 the low. So kind of a cold day today. No precipitation yet. That'll be changing as we head into the next 4 or 5 hours. Sunrise, sunset tomorrow. We're almost to 10.5 hours of daylight. River Stage and Terre Haute 11.1, and it is on the way down. Here's what it looks like in Terre Haute. We're at 35. The winds are west at about 6, so there is a bit of a wind to chill, and the pressure has gone up some to 29.92. Temperatures in the mid-30s all across the area right now, so a chilly night out there. Here's our little weak disturbance spinning down and moving into this area tonight. It has limited moisture, but remember, with snow, you don't have to have a ton of moisture to at least crank out some snow. So it's going to produce a little snow as it makes its way across western Illinois now and eventually moving into this area. Off to the west, for the most part right now, maybe a few snowflakes over towards Effingham, but mostly west of the region currently. Here's the Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar just west of our viewing area, starting to see some of this. This will advance to the east as we head through the next several hours, and here's the timing on that. As it moves into the region, I would say by 11 o'clock tonight, a lot of the Illinois counties will probably already be looking at some snow. It will advance through the region, and by tomorrow morning early, a lot of this is gone. So by 8:30, we're looking at most of it out of here. Right now, I would say maybe about an inch, give or take. Some of you may get a half an inch, some an inch and a half, but about an inch. So we're not talking about a whole lot of snow, although it may reduce the visibility for a while overnight as it comes down a little heavier at times. Then we get a break for Saturday evening, early Sunday. Then the next system arrives, and when it arrives on Sunday afternoon, it may be cold enough for a mix. Could be some sleet, freezing rain, snow, but it should change to rain once we get into later in the day. But Sunday, when it first starts, it may be cold enough for a bit of a mix on that one. The wind, not a real big deal initially, but the wind will pick up in advance of that system on Sunday. It's the stronger one, and we'll see stronger winds out of the south. So here's Sunday evening. That will move on, giving us dry weather for Monday into Tuesday. We've got to watch next week. Another system developing by Thursday overnight. This is Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Again, maybe starts out as a mix, goes to rain, goes back to a bit of a snow event, so we'll have to watch Thursday for that next one coming in. And behind that, we stay with some dry weather and basically kind of chilly. On this map, this is the colder air. So for the most part, we're looking at some chilly weather over the next several days. Not real cold, but the warmest air is being suppressed to the southeast of this area, so we're back into a more typical winter pattern. So for tonight, then, some light snow developing, mostly cloudy. Again, an inch, give or take, not a whole lot. 30 degrees for the low. During the day tomorrow, some morning light snow. That should be over pretty quickly. 34, pretty chilly day. And then after that, Sunday starts out okay, but as we head into the afternoon hours, it could start as a mix, changes to rain at 42. Then it'll be chilly as we take you into the day coming up on Monday. The next system arrives on Thursday. That one also could be a little bit of a mix, changing into some rain with a high temperature of 36 as well. So kind of a busy weather pattern. But tonight, tomorrow morning, maybe an inch, give or take just a little. Not a bunch, but it should be a good covering for us.
Yeah, you had a few weeks in this winter. You got to skate through. You know, you people in the weather department weren't that busy, but now
we're starting to get busy.
Yeah.
And I think this pattern is going to stay busy the rest of the month.
You're earning your pay for sure.
Yeah, we are now. Yeah.
Yeah. You going to a game tonight, by the way?
I'm headed to Clay City. The girls' sectional's over there. I'm going to game 2, so I'll be over there shortly.
Yeah, absolutely. It is a big night.